శ్రీ మహాగణాధిపతయే నమః. నమో మహద్భ్యో గురుభ్యో ఋషిభ్యో శ్రీమాత్రే నమః. Lord Nrsimha's nails are extremely powerful and they safeguard his devotees in a phenomenal way. In Nrsimha Tantra, there is a detailed procedure to do the Nakha sadhana, to tap into the powerful energies of the nails of Lord Nrsimha. The entire power and the Shakti of that whole process, the entire detailed procedure of the Nakha sadhana, has been embedded into two shlokas by Swami Ananda Tirtha. So, by expressing gratitude to Swami Ananda Tirtha, let's look at those two shlokas. These two shlokas can be recited every day to get rid of negative energy, to get rid of psychic attacks or evil eye, and to get rid of internal enemies like kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. Recite by placing Lakshmi Nrsimha photo in front of you. Do not do this during the monthly menstrual periods. Recite only after taking bath. Heartfelt gratitude to Swami Ananda Tirtha. Heartfelt gratitude to Master Prahlada. पान्त्वस्मान् पुरुहूतवैरिबलवन्मातङ्गमाद्यद्घटा कुम्भोच्छाद्रिविपाटनाधिकपटुप्रत्येकवज्रायिताः श्रीमत्कण्ठीरवास्य प्रततसुनखरादारितारातिदूरा प्रध्वस्तध्वान्तशान्तप्रविततमनसा भाविता भूरि भाग्यैः लक्ष्मीकान्तसमन्ततोऽपि कलयन्न वेशितुस्ते समं पश्याम्युत्तमवस्तु दूरतरतोपास्तं रसो योष्टमः यद्रोषोत्करदक्षनेत्रकुटिलप्रान्तोद्धिताग्निस्फुरत् खद्योतोपमविस्फुलिङ्गभसिता ब्रह्मेश शक्रोत्कराः